Hi there! Today we're going to show you how to make the best apple cider at home and the science behind it. Everything you'll need is listed on the screen. It is very important to wash your hands and sanitize your workspace using soapy water. This is to prevent your product from contamination of dust and bacteria. And now it's time to make some apple cider. First, you're going to wash the apples. Then, you're going to cut them into little pieces and put them into a juicer. If you use an apple press, it will make your life so much easier. When you get the juice, strain it through the nylon bag to separate the liquid from the pulp. Now, we're going to heat our liquid in a large pot to 85 degrees, then cool it down to 20 degrees. Transfer your cooled juice and the tied-up straining bag with pulp into a primary fermenter, then add 9 cups of warm water into the primary fermenter to dissolve 1 Captain Crush tablet. Apples naturally contain high amounts of acetic acid bacteria which are gram-negative. They can oxidize sugars and ethanol to produce acetic acid during fermentation and lead to off flavor. Captain Crush tablet contains sulfur and can subdue some of the wild yeast and acetic acid bacteria in the juice. It can reduce the likelihood of spoiling as well as off flavor. Don't put too much because yeast might be killed. Add in 2 pounds of sugar before fermentation will sweeten the cider as well as elevate the alcohol content of the final product. The acid blend is made from citric, tartaric, and malic acid. It is important to raise the acidity of your apple cider because good acid level can brighten the color up and prevent spoilage. Low acid alcohol will impart a flat taste and high acid alcohol will give you a sharp taste. Tannin is a polyphenic compound that has strong antimicrobial potential. It can act as a natural preservative. Limited amounts should be used because it has a bitter taste. Lactic enzyme can be used to break down naturally occurring pectin in apple juice. It can break down the bonds of pectin and settle it on the bottom of the primary fermenter. And after siphoning, your final apple cider will be clearer in color. Yeast nutrient can provide yeast-available nitrogen in the form of diammonium phosphate. It can improve yeast health and result in faster fermentation. Stir daily to allow the yeast to be distributed uniformly. Tightly close your fermenter lid and attach airlocks which allow the carbon dioxide to be released and not let air get in to avoid oxidation. Wait for 24 hours, then add your yeast. You don't want captain to kill your yeast. The yeast will convert the carbohydrate in sugar to ethanol and carbon dioxide, giving the alcohol its signature flavor. After 1 week, siphon the liquid into a secondary fermenter based on gravity and leave the sediment in the primary fermenter. This will make the product taste good and turn clear because the sediment contains dead yeast particles and the leftover yeast nutrient. If you don't do it, your product will not taste good and have a good color. After 3 weeks, taste and bottle. Thank you so much for listening and enjoy your apple cider. Hope you can find wonders in the world of microbiology.